So, hi viewers, welcome to Craft Your Future. So today's topic is key on your enemies. Okay, I think last time we did gossip reading, but it is about you this month. New topics, right? Like the same topics, but I want to change that. Even though it is a tea, I just don't want to do it on only you or them. It is about your enemies now. Today's topic is like tea on your enemies. Whomever you feel that those people are your rivals, competitors, or enemies, you don't like them or they don't like you. Somewhere you know that that person is not your ally. Okay, not your ally, not your friend. They are just like an enemy, or you treat them or they treat you. Something which is you both don't have good connection. Okay, you can watch for anyone, whomever you feel that person is your enemy. As simple as if at all you feel that I'm your enemy, you can watch. Anita, why you are in? Some people don't like spirituality. Okay, some people only religious people. They don't like spirituality. So when they see spiritual people, they feel that spiritual people are their enemies. No, we don't need any kind of history background to become enemies, and that is the problem. They just see that okay, if it all religion, okay, no, this person is not religious, this person is spiritual. Who talk about all the religions, who tell that all religions are same, at least equal, everyone is equal here. They don't believe, they don't, at least, okay, they don't accept. There are people who just religious, they think, at least they feel that whoever do the spiritual things, spirituality, they are their enemies. So in that way, as simple as someone, you may be working in some organization, because of your talent, because of the way you work, because of that you may be getting a lot of appreciation from your colleagues, team members, co-team members, and your manager, reporting, team lead, whatever. In the same group, same team, people will be like, they will become enemies. Why? Nothing. You're just doing good. That's it. You have talent. You are using that talent. You're showing, at least you're showing your talent, your skill sets, doing better. That's where you're getting the appreciation. But still, other someone, not everyone, at least one or two people feel jealous, and that jealousy, when they won't even understand when it turns into enemy. When you became enemy, because we are all working together as a team members, then how come we became enemies? They don't even know that. That's how people will be. Okay, it's natural. It is not just in the workplace, everywhere, right? Because we are humans, we hold all the emotions, right? The only thing what the difference is, some people will work on those emotions, which is like jealousy, ego, plotting against someone, or feeling negative towards someone. People will take the control of those demons within themselves. That's where they see good in everyone. They appreciate good things. If at all someone is doing something good, even though better than them, they heartfully they will praise them. Heartfully they will congratulate them. Even though they lost something, other person gained something, still heartfully they will congratulate. Most of the people won't do is because internal demons won't let them to do all those things. Somewhere the other side of them know that, the light side know that whatever that person achieved because of their hard work, because of their dedication, focus. But still the demonic side is like, how they are getting appreciation. I'm also working, but no one is appreciating me, no one is giving credit. But that person is getting lot of credits, appreciation. That's where it will turn. Even they don't even understand. When it turned into the, sometimes it is like envy kind of. So it will turn into the enemy, where they don't even understand that why they are doing that much wrong or something strange to destroy other person. It is nothing. That is not that from their lifetime, from their history, they are carrying some kind of grudge, revenge. No, just out of jealous, out of by, out of envy, they will do that. Okay. Today we will see, because it is an enemy reading, so we will see tea on your enemy. See, piles. I think if at all you have multiple enemies, you specifically know that this is my workplace enemy, this is in my friend group, there is some enemy. That time you can watch multiple piles. Okay, take one pile for one person, but take some time. If at all you think that no, Anita, I don't have much enemies, but somewhere, someone I feel that that person is like, see, don't tell that no, Anita, I don't have any enemies. No, then you are dead. Let me tell you, even though you are dead, not operating, still feel you will get enemy. The reason, whoever working, this person is not operating. I am working from morning to night. This person is not operating. They are not doing anything. They are simply sleeping. Even though you are dead. So don't think that you don't have any enemies. It is simply if at all you feel that no, Nida, I don't have any enemies because I am a very kind person, good person. I speak everyone with love. I spread the love. I speak with a lot of smiley face. I never hurt anyone. So definitely I don't have enemies. No. Actually, if at all you do all those things, you will be having more enemies. Okay, that's how I explained just now. It will come out of jealousy. Out of jealousy, they will become enemy because you're a kind person, nice person, generous person, spreading the love, not expecting anything from anyone. Simply wherever you go with smiley face, you may be everyone acknowledging with the smile face, taking care of everyone. At least showing that courtesy, humanity, all those things. People will become, at least some people out of that, they will become enemies. Why? We cannot do all those things. How can you do that? You are doing that, we are not, we cannot do that. People are praising you, people are fans of you, people are following you, or people are loving you. We don't like that. So now you are my enemy. That's why I said we don't need specific strong reason to become an enemy. So here, don't feel if at all you had any kind of intention, mindset that no, Anita, I don't have anyone because I'm like a saint, I'm like a god. So I don't have any enemies. No, you are simply, you may be not seeing the people around you. It is very important for you to become conscious about your life, your surroundings, as well as people whomever you are dealing with. It is very important. Okay, because if at all really someone feeling that I don't have any enemies means definitely they are sleeping, they are not awakened. It is time to awake. Okay, at least one thing you will find. If you get conscious about your life, your connections. So anyway, it is green aventurine, clear quartz, tiger sign. Okay, take one pile, watch it. If you really completely understand matching with your situation, entire energy is matching, listen to your intuition, go for the suggestion. Okay, then move to the next pile. Don't watch continuously. So let's get into the reading. So pile number 1, whomever choose green aventurine. So T on your enemy. You may choose this pile for specific person by thinking that this is my enemy. What is the T on that enemy? So we will see what is the T on my pile number 1's enemy. What is the T on pile number 1's enemy? So we will go and subscribe. If at all you not subscribed. If at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. Click the join button, have a look at our YouTube store, watch the ads. T on your enemy. Here the T about your enemy is they started loving themselves. Or yeah, more than anything, Ace of Cups strongly means loving yourself. Forget about giving cup to others. They may be started loving themselves, or at least people are like, finally, pile number 1 is doing some kind of self-love. When I say pile number 1, it is your enemy. Don't take it as you, collective, okay? Whomever choose pile number 1, that is collective. That pile number 1 for whomever choose, that is the enemy. So they are gossiping that finally this pile number 1 started loving themselves. Even though they missed some kind of opportunity, which is like a page of pentacle, which can be like just a friendship, work connection, something which is little kind of like a small financial opportunity kind of thing. They lost it, but still they are loving. They lost it, but because of loving themselves, they finally came out of the past. Now they are focusing on the Two of Cups, or at least they are understanding that they have Two of Cups, or at least people are gossiping that. See, pile number 1 finally came out of this friendship. Are they not accepting any friends and loving themselves? That's where now they are going to come out of this past. They are not going to sit and cry about the past, or at least they won't be live in the past. They are going to release the past, and they will end up with someone in some kind of living in situation. That is the gossip. But as of now, they are even gossiping that even pile number 1 don't know some truth. But the people whomever spilling the tea, they know some truth. But pile number 1 don't know that truth. Your enemy don't know some truth. But whoever spilling the tea, they know some truth. At least they feel that your enemy is still in some kind of stuckness, mental stuckness. They are unable to see the things clearly, or they may be not listening to their intuition. Even though we got in the initially self-love is different, listening to your intuition is different. Okay, so that's where the T is also finally they started loving themselves. Finally they are giving love to themselves, but still they are not connected to their intuition. What is the T on pile number 1's enemy? My collective's enemy. Let me take it that way. What is the T on my collective's enemy? What is the T on collective's enemy? What is the T on collective's enemy? Okay. What is the T on collective's enemy? Yeah, here the T is maybe this person betrayed by someone who is like a narcissistic boss or ex-boss. But still, why they are unable to see the betrayal? Someone betrayed. At least T is like your enemy got betrayed by someone who is past boss, ex-boss, or narcissistic boss. Now they are not working with them. But still, they are not seeing the truth. What is the T on your my collective's enemy? What is T? What is the T on collective's enemy? Your enemy may be told collective. It is like they want to get married. At least, if at all your enemy was or are now also, if your enemy is in the relationship which is like living in situation with someone, that someone may be betrayed them, whoever living in the situation, the partner, the passion fire partner, that person betrayed your enemy, that partner. But still your enemy don't know that they got betrayed by their partner. At least T is like, why they are not seeing the truth? They should listen to their intuition. Yeah, it's a good thing they started loving themselves, but why they are not seeing the truth that a person ex-boss, ex-husband maybe, because reverse. This person already betrayed them. Their ex-partner already betrayed them. But still they are thinking about the marriage with that person. Still they are keeping tabs on them. Maybe your enemy is sitting and crying because some ex thing happened. But still they are sitting and crying about those things. So what the gossip is also like, finally they started loving. But they should see Two of Cups, not this Four of Wands. Something about the relationship. Maybe this gossip is from the close friends who may be like a work colleagues who know everything about this person closely, with whom they maybe share that we are in living in situation, they are in living in situation with someone. What is the T on pile number, sorry, what is the T on collective's enemy? What is the T on collective's enemy? it is like they may be betrayed by someone, but they don't know the truth or they don't want to accept the truth. They're still looking at their ex. Your enemy is still looking at their ex. I will get new beginning. My ex is going to call me. My ex is going to call me to come back. We will live together again. But the T is like other people knows that their ex is already betrayed them. They don't want any kind of new beginning because they may be already opened their heart chakra for someone. So they are not going to come back. And moreover, they are feeling that at least your this enemy should concentrate on the marriage instead of concentrating on this four of wands kind of energy, because this is living in situations. So people will come till the time they want. They will be in that connection. Once the passion is gone, they are also gone. So T is like they should love, they should listen to their intuition so that they can understand someone has betrayed them, so that instead of waiting, keeping tabs on them to get some new beginning, they should get married. At least they should involve in traditional connections so that they will no need to feel this kind of betrayals. The T is that. It is like still they don't know. Partner whomever they used to live in together, that person is already gone. Still your enemy feels that no, that person is still with me. I'm keeping tabs on them. But other people know that. Whomever gossiping, they know that. They are already gone. They carry emotions for someone else. So they went towards that person. Like they may be taking stand for their love. It is little bit, it is very sensitive, or more than sensitive, it is like a very close connection kind of things. Maybe very close people are gossiping, which is like a close friends with whomever know everything about two couple, not just one person. Because your enemy, they are seeing that finally your enemy came out of past, but still they are seeing that other person, whomever they dealt with that past ex, that person betrayed them. But your enemy don't know that. Maybe it is like a karma. What they did to you, I don't know. You can take it like a karma card, karma reading, because it is enemy reading, right? What is the T on your enemy? What is the T on your enemy? This person lost home. Your enemy lost home, but they are not understanding. They are not seeing the things, or they don't want to see the things. They are stuck. Still, they are delusional. Somewhere they are feeling that no, still we are together. We are just apart. They are somewhere, I am somewhere, but still we are living in together. But other people know that whomever gossiping, that person is already gone. And whatever they had, privileges, they lost. But still they may be like, no, my partner is there. I don't want to give up. This is his connection. I don't want to give up. What is the T on your enemy? It is gone. Someone is gone here, but other person not seeing the truth, or not, if at all they really know also, they maybe don't want to accept the truth, because Eight of Swords I am seeing, which is like stuck in their own head logically. If at all other person may be messaging, did you had your lunch, where you went, as simple as if at all this person messaging something, they are also, if at all why I should create the drama, so they may be just replying something, that's it. Yeah, yes, okay. And this person, your enemy, thinking that no, they are still with me, but actually their partner is already gone long back. They said tata bye bye long back. What is the T on your enemy? This person don't know the truth. They are going to know the truth that their partner is already gone, left them. What is the T on your enemy? What is the T on your enemy? I don't want to take this card, but still it came out. See, that is the reason. It is like they are already gone, but still they are carrying the burdens, which is like, no, my partner is there. We are living together. So still they are carrying the burden of that partnership. Actually, this person, by carrying burdens, they became like a machine. So they really don't know emotionally what is happening, because this person is far away from their emotions. from their own emotions. But still, now the gossip finality is like finally they have started loving, but still they are not seeing the entire truth that this is long gone. That partner is long gone. They no need to carry the burdens. And they are going to get the justice. I don't know what kind of justice is it. It is. What is that justice? Or maybe it is like it is their karma. What is this justice? Is it a good thing or bad thing? Bad thing. Because again I got this is the same person, page of pentacles. They maybe used to have little like light kind of connections, no stability, nothing. I just don't want friendship, I just don't want work connection, I don't want to be in the deep connections, I don't want to be strong long-term kind of connections. Same person, eight of swords again. So people gossiping that it may be like their karma, because everything is ended. That is a 10 of swords. But still, your enemy carries the burdens. This is long gone. This is gone. Whomever they used to deal with, that person is gone long back. They said Tata bye bye to them. But they are thinking that no, still it is there and I need to protect my connection. So I am holding the burdens because my partner is there. That is the gossip. That is a tea on your enemy. And people telling that actually they should get married instead of entering into this living in kind of situations, because in living in, when the other partner is going to leave them, they don't know. Now the other partner is already gone long back, but still your enemy thinking that no, it is still there, so I need to carry the burdens, because that they are thinking that that person is still there, tomorrow they are going to come home. And whomever gossiping, they know the truth that their partner already had feelings for someone and they went towards that person, so they're not going to come back. But still this person needs some kind of rude awakening. That is the reason why T is like, the moment they are going to come to know, page of swords, the moment they are going to come to know that their partner is gone, they are not with them, they will get the tower moment. There will be like a shocking thing. It will be like shocking thing for them, because they still feel that their partner is with them. That is the reason they are doing everything, whatever they need to do, whatever efforts they need to put in the connection, they are doing everything without knowing, without seeing the truth that other person is not existed in the connection. What is the suggestion for you? No two cards, only one card. What is the suggestion for you, whomever watching for you? We are all just stardust. If at all you are the one, then why you are watching, reading? Maybe you choose this reading for your partner by thinking that let's see what is the gossip on my partner. But you are waiting for them. What is this? We are all just stardust. You need to bring all your chakras into, I don't need to speak more than this. Lovers in the reverse. Someone betrayed you. Predator. You are dealing with a predator. They may be told that, see, we both are lovers. I have love for you. You have love for me. We both are. That is the reason why we carry unconditional love for each other, even though it is not an emotional love. That is why we are together. Actually, that's not the truth. They never had any kind of feelings, unconditional acceptance, love for you. You are the one who is watching. Maybe you already know the truth. You are not accepting the truth, because this reading itself is like gossip tea on your enemy. If you choose this card, definitely the partner, whomever you are dealing with, you choose this pile for that person. So you already feeling that that person is your enemy. You know that this person is gone, but somewhere you are not accepting because of ego, because we are all just stardust is nothing but ending of some ego, breaking your ego. This tower moment is also ego death kind of situation. It is going to break your ego because you maybe had that kind of pride that I'm living in with this person. You know, a lot of people want this person, but I have that person. This person is mine. This person living in with me. This is my lover. But that person never thought your partner never thought in that way. Yes, it is you because the cards clearly telling whomever this enemy, you are their partner. So now you know because you came to know about the reading that your enemy, right? Then you know that this person is your enemy means you know this person betrayed you. But still you don't want to accept the truth because yes, Anita, if at all I accept the truth, it is going to break my ego because I never accept the failure. That is the reason why you are standing with Seven of Wands. Not accepting the failure. Whatever that Six of Wands is there, I want to protect. I don't want to lose that victory I already got. But it is gone. That is the reason when something is not existed, you try to protect that. That's where it will become Ten of Wands because other person is not putting any efforts. You want to put more efforts to save some connection. Even though you know that other person not at all interested, they don't want to invest anything. You are the only one investor. And then how can you build one connection just to investing one side? So now it may be one-sided connection. Stop doing that, okay? We're all just stardust. See, everything happened for a reason in our life. Whatever time you need to share with this person, it may be over. Bring all your chakras in balance. If at all you carry this kind of balance, this kind of burden, you cannot be balanced. You are already imbalanced. This is that person, you may be like a chariot, now it is in the reverse. So you lost the balance. You need to bring the balance within yourself so that you can see the things clearly. And I'm not saying here really you don't know, you know, but somewhere your ego is stopping you to accept the truth that your partner is gone. That is ended. Now this connection is no more existed. You don't want to accept the truth because this is my pride, Anita. If at all I accept that I got breakup, maybe it is like breakup because Four of Wands is there. I got breakup with my partner. I told everyone that I am in the connection with so and so person. I felt pride. Now if at all I say with the same people that I got breakup, how? It is like going to break my ego. It is going to break my pride. I don't want to do that. But if at all you don't want to do that, you will be stuck, right? In something which is not existed. That person is already gone. So accept. We are all just stardust. Nothing wrong if at all sometimes we fail. There may be something good for us. Even these people whomever gossiping, they also know that you have Two of Cups. Maybe it is the gossip is about you. Maybe even though it like enemy. Because one way you are your own enemy. If at all you think that in the connection, no Anita, my partner is enemy. Then even though you get triggered, not your partner, you are your own enemy. Seeing the things, understanding the things, knowing everything, but not accepting it. Don't want to be honest with yourself. Telling lies to yourself, keeping yourself in delusional mindset where like, no, everything existed. You know everything. But still, no, everything, because I don't want to accept. Who is telling lies? If at all, I think in the recent reading, I told that in the past reading, if at all some connection is ending, that couple is pretending that everything is fine. Nothing wrong. If at all to the world, to the society, you want to pretend like, no, everything is fine between us, nothing wrong. Because you don't need to share your personal thing to society, other people. But at least you should be honest with yourself, right? Whether really it is everything is fine or not. I am getting same kind of energy here. You know the truth, but you don't want to accept. Because if at all you accept, somewhere you feel that it is going to break your ego. Because you may be the person who don't accept failure, who don't accept you lost something. Mostly failure. You may be going to feel like I'm the loser, so I don't want to accept. If at all I accept, I should accept that I'm a loser. No problem. If at all you lose somewhere something, there may be something somewhere something you are going to win. Okay, at least after watching this reading, we're all just stardust. Release this, because here I'm not seeing that you really don't know the truth. That someone need to come and tell you. No, you know the truth. You just need to accept the truth. Accept the truth. Release that ego, pride, whatever it may be, not letting you to accept the truth. Release those things, accept it, get ready for your new beginning. Okay, thank you for watching. So pile number 2, whomever choose clear cards. What is the gossip on your enemy? Tea on your enemy. For whomever you choose this pile by thinking that this person is my enemy. So what is the gossip on that enemy? So meanwhile, go and subscribe if at all you not subscribed. If at all you already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. Click at the join button. Have a look at our YouTube store. Watch the ads. Tea on your enemy. Your enemy maybe have some kind of new beginning in their life, but they are not taking risk. So gossip is like they should come out of that comfort zone, because this person always live in the comfort zone. They don't want change. They resist the change. They should come out of their comfort zone so that they can take some risk towards their new beginnings. They should listen to their intuition, because they are not listening. They are not listening. They are not coming out of the comfort zone. They should do this. They should listen to their intuition. They should work on themselves. They should come out of the comfort zone so that they can take risk towards some new beginning. But they are not doing it. Maybe your enemy told someone that they have some new beginning, fresh, brand new beginning, but which they need to release their past. They should not carry anything from their past. That's where it is like a completely new beginning. No attachment should carried from the past. That is the reason your enemy maybe have some more than codependency. Here I am seeing that resisting for the change. They maybe don't like change. They maybe feel comfortable wherever they are, or maybe comfort zone person. So the gossip is like they should come out of that comfort zone, right? If at all they really want some new beginnings, they should come out of that comfort zone. They should listen to their intuition. Then they don't need to scared of change. Good gossip. Tea is like good thing. At least whatever they are telling, that's the truth. They need to come out of comfort zone if at all they have that issue of coming out of their comfort zone, doing something strange, new, unique. What is the tea on your enemy? What is the tea on your enemy? They maybe have someone in their life who is like a queen of wands in the reverse, who trade themselves for the money. Not money. Maybe money. They maybe trade themselves for the money, but not like a prostitute. This person maybe not like a selling, trading. How come? I don't know. But it is not. I'm not getting business kind of person. It is like a trading for the business is different. To get one business deal, you will trade yourself, get the business deal. That's a different. Or opportunity. That's a different. This person maybe trade themselves for the money, but not prostitution. So your enemy is not giving up on that person. They want that person. They maybe had connection with this person, so they don't want to give up on them. That is the reason they are like, see, even though it is not a great energy that they are carrying, whomever they are staying with, still they are feeling like, no, I don't want to give up. The reason is that comfort zone. What is the tea on your enemy? Maybe I did not expect it, but when I'm doing this tea on your enemy, I'm getting some karma kind of messages also. In the pile number 1 also I got that. It is like a karma for them. What is the tea on your enemy? Collective. What is the tea on your enemy? I think it is going to make you happy to see, hear that finally your enemy is going through something. What is the tea on your enemy? So your enemy maybe have some issues also, which is like insecurities, fears about their own personality. That is the reason they may be not looking for any new beginning, waiting for anyone. We're not looking for any new beginnings. They are simply, see, I'm here with this person. I already have something. So okay, I want to stay here. Even though with whomever they had something, that person is trading themselves for, as I said, queen of wands in the reverse. They are not a wifey figure. They are not a businesswoman, feminine, but still they are staying with them. Moreover, they are like, no, I want, this is my person. So T is also like your enemy need to change a lot. Whatever insecurities, fears they may be carry, they should work on it. They should heal themselves so that they can get themselves ready for the new beginnings instead of sticking with the same person, even though they know that it is not the right connection, right person to stay. Because three of wands in the reverse, they are not ready for the new beginnings. They are not waiting for any kind of new connections. I am here with someone, that person is enough for me. This, your enemy maybe carry some kind of insecurities, fears, courage, confident kind of issues, but if this person not even have their courage, confident, own courage, confident, then why you think that this person is enemy? Tea on your enemy. Let you. Tea on your enemy. What is the tea on my collective enemy? They are not seeing the truth about someone in their life who is like a dark magician or who is manipulating them by telling that they have two of cups, which is not existed. Other people know that they don't have any two of cups with someone who is like a manipulator or dark magician. They are not seeing the truth. This queen of wands in the reverse, maybe that person do some dark magic or some manipulation. Everyone knows that this is not a two of cups connection. No emotions here. Even I did not got any cup card. But still they are not seeing the truth about that person, that there is not love. It is not love in connection. There is no love existed here. From both ends there is no cups. What is the tea on your enemy? What is the tea on your enemy? This person maybe have fear of failure. At the same time, they maybe don't know how to be single. 9 of Pentacle in the reverse, 7 of Pentacle in the reverse, 4 of Pentacle in the reverse. Which is like lot of issues they have. I don't know for whom you are watching. I really wonder why you feel this person is your enemy. Because they don't have anything in their themselves that looking at someone feeling that this person is my enemy. Because if at all you compare to this person also, really I don't tell people to compare with someone. This person don't have anything. If at all you are feeling that this is my enemy, they don't carry anything that you can feel enemy. Because if at all you beat this person can't even beat you back. If at all you slap them, they can't even slap you back. Because they carry lot of insecurities, not in one area of their life. All the area of their life, they carry bunch of insecurities. In the sense of finances, in the sense of personality, in the sense of thinking, in the sense of seeing the things, in the sense of emotions, in the sense of working with others or business, doing the business, career. Not in, see, some people will be very good at career, but when it comes to love, emotions, they will carry some kind of fears. Maybe I'm not good enough for love. Maybe no one is going to love me. Maybe no one is going to accept me as I am. Maybe if at all I show feelings, they may be going to think that I'm an emotional fool. I know certain people, okay? Some people are very good at emotional side. But when it comes to career, they are not. They carry a lot of insecurities here. Maybe I cannot accomplish this goal. Maybe I cannot achieve this task. This work is very hard. How can I do alone? Maybe I need someone. But in the relationship, they don't need anyone. If at all they like someone, they love someone, they will go and express it. They don't even care that whether other person is going to reject them, accept them. They don't bother. But when it comes to work, they bother. Maybe I'm going to fail. Maybe I'm not going to successful in this project. It is like at least one area you are not carrying any kind of insecurities. Other area you may be carrying. But here your enemy carries insecurities all the area of their life. When it comes to finances, whatever project they may be like, maybe I'm not going to get successful in this project. Before even starting the project, this person will tell you, your enemy will tell you that this project is going to fail. Maybe I'm maybe going to fail in this project. Moreover, they cannot be single, independent, especially financially. This person is dependent on someone for the finances, and that someone is nothing but Queen of Wands in the reverse, who don't know the business in the right way. They don't know how to use their looks, or they don't know how to present themselves, or really this person don't have any kind of ambitions, goals, fire kind of thing, but they may be like, I have ambitions, goals, fire, everything. I'm ready to do the business. But when it comes to business, they simply trade themselves, get the business. I'm seeing getting money, but not like a prostitution. So your enemy have a lot of issues. So that is the reason T is also like, they should see the truth. There is no love, nothing. Someone is manipulating them, but still they are staying with that person. Still not looking for any new beginnings. They may be know that there is some new beginning for them, but still they are not taking that plunge because it is a brand new beginning. They don't know what it will be because this person have a lot to fix. So how can they take that plunge? First they need to fix a lot of things within themselves. Not one, two, not just one area, entire personality. They have a lot of issues. They may be just to behave like a stubborn child. I don't want to give up. That's it. They don't even understand why they don't want to give up. And whatever they maybe want to protect, whether it is really worthy or not worthy. They don't even see all those things. It is immature, stupid kind of energy, your enemy. That is the reason I am telling. If at all this person is that stupid, immature, why you are feeling that this is your enemy? What is there that you feel that? That's why I said, if at all you slap this person don't even know how to slap you back. What is the T on your enemy? What is the T? What is the T on your enemy? What is the T on your enemy? This person maybe don't even have work as of now. I don't know in the past. Now they maybe don't even have work, so they may be pretending that I'm working, I'm very busy. But people know that they don't even have any projects in their hands. They don't have any work. But still they pretend like, yeah, they have work, they are very busy. I'm busy with doing my work. They don't have any new beginnings, no new projects. King of Wands in the reverse. They maybe had choices with someone who is like a King of Wands, which is one is Queen of Wands in the reverse, one is King of Wands in the reverse. So these people are feeling that they are not going to get any kind of new beginnings. This person don't have any work. Maybe they don't have career. They have options, but they are not choosing. They need to change. See that T is true, because not one area of their life need to fix. This person need to fix entire personality. Entire personality. They don't even know who they are. So they need to get in touch who you are. From scratch they need to build themselves. So this person need deep healing. All the areas of their life. Not one area. What is this King of Wands in the reverse? Maybe they had opportunity with someone who is like a hanged man. They may be not taking any kind of action. They may be stuck on this person, but this person may be stuck on Queen of Wands in the reverse. Now that person also don't want to take any action. They may be seeing the things in a different perception. So they lost opportunity with them also. Because they are not taking any new beginnings, like risk towards any new beginnings. Other person whomever want to offer or whomever want to take their responsibility, that person also now seeing the things in a different perception. They changed their perception. In the past, they maybe carry any kind of intentions to offer something to this person. At least, I want to take this your enemies, like your enemies' burdens. Now they don't want to take. They are seeing the things in a different perception. So they are losing all the opportunities because not working on themselves. It is not that other people are doing something, that is the reason why they are losing. No. Everything, maybe there are so many new opportunities, if at all this person ready for the new beginnings. But they themselves is not ready for the new beginnings. The reason? Lot. They know that they need to work from the scratch to take some step towards the new beginnings. What is the T on your enemy? This is the biggest karma. If at all you feel that Anita, this person is my enemy, so this is the biggest karma anyone can have, because there are a lot of new beginnings around them, but still they cannot go, they cannot take, just because of fears. They lost Four of Wands also. If at all they had any kind of living in situation with someone secretly, not knowing others, secret connection with someone, they lost that connection also. In the end, the key is like they need to heal. This person need to heal. Lot is there. Maybe this person not changing. They need to heal. They need to come out of this confusion. They need to change. They need to open their heart chakra. They need to work on their heart chakra. But I don't change. Everyone knows, whomever it is, gossip is open gossip. I'm not saying that only close people are, no, it is like an open gossip. Everyone knows about this person. If you think that, I don't know what you think about your enemy, after watching the reading, at least you understood. It is not that this is a hidden thing, now you came to know about. No, maybe most of the things you know about this person. Because this gossip itself is like an air, in the air. I'm not seeing like a closed gossip which we saw in the pile number 1. That is a closed circle gossip. This is a open air. If at all someone talk about your enemy, their name, leave that person. They are not going to change. There are a lot of problems. They don't work on themselves. How can they get new beginnings? How can they get new opportunities? This person not going to change. I don't talk about that person. That is the energy. When someone take your enemy's name, people will respond in that way. So just don't talk about that person. What is the suggestion for you? Maybe even people also gets tired of them by looking at them. Even though lot of opportunities, everyone is looking at that. Why can't this person is taking that opportunity? This is a good opportunity. Why they are not going for that opportunity? Lot of issues. So whomever know them, everyone knows that this person won't change. So leave. Don't even talk about them. Don't even gossip. Do it for you. Whomever watching, what relationship you carry, I don't know. Maybe this person is your wish fulfillment. If at all you are thinking that maybe Anita, this person is going to come out of that connection, maybe they are going to take the plunge, maybe I'm going to get new beginning with that person, like a sun new beginning, then please. But you won't, sometimes maybe, Anita, I offered something to this person because I thought this person is like my wish fulfillment. So I want to have some new beginning with that person. But they are not taking risk, or they are not coming towards me. So in that way, if at all you are thinking like finally this person is like enemy, why they are not coming towards me? I'm waiting for them. Then move on in your life. Move on. You don't stuck for this person. Here with this person, you're not going to get the justice. Do it for you. You need to just think about yourself. If at all this person try to do something, become like a Queen of Swords. Okay, because this person is good for nothing, fit for nothing, or good for nothing, whatever it is, take it. Take in your situation, because it is like one kind of person. If at all they change, not them, everyone. If at all we ready for something, we ready to change certain things, we will get some new beginnings. We will make ourselves better, we will make our career better, we will make our relationship life better, we will make healthy relationships, like we will build healthy connections. That's the reason why we need to change ourselves time to time. It is not that particularly you sit and change yourself, no, design yourself, no. Time to time, based on the situations, based on the opportunities, as simple as we are working in somewhere. Some people who work in the who born in the remote areas, or some small cities, small towns, villages, they won't get much opportunities, right? In the town, in that village, they won't get a lot of opportunities because of their financial status of that place. But they maybe have a lot of talent, ability. Because of that, other people out of that city, out of that small town, that remote area, other people are giving opportunities to them. At least offering that opportunities, like, hey, you have this talent, actually we need that. Why can't you come and work with us? They're like, hey, no, 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 no. Because this is my town. I born and brought up here. I don't want to change. So they don't want to change. That is the reason. If at all you are expecting that this person is going to change, you are waiting that they are my wish fulfillment, they may be going to come, maybe we we are going to have new beginning, then leave that. They are not going to come. You are not going to get any new beginning. Page of Cups in the reverse. They don't change. This person don't change. Don't stuck with this person, because somewhere you are waiting for this person to come. Six of Swords I got. Okay, don't wait for this person. You are not going to get the justice. Six of Swords, you are waiting. Maybe this person is going to come, Anita. Maybe they are going to change their mind. Finally, they may be going to take risk. You move on. No justice here. Do it for you. You should only think about yourself. Don't think about this person. If at all you have any other opportunities, or if at all you have someone else with whom you can, same opportunity, whatever opportunity you gave to this person, it is not that entire planet only this person is existed. With the talent, maybe different people will be there. Look for some other person. Offer that opportunity to them. They will appreciate it. They will take it. They will respect it. They will know the worth of it. This person don't know anything because of their own insecurities, fears. And moreover, they don't even want to change. I am open to the higher wisdom of series. Just listen to your intuition. This is an opportunity to learn through the inner planes about spiritual technology and bring it forward for the new golden age. See the things in higher dimension, higher perspective, instead of thinking that because you came to the reading by thinking that this person is enemy, because this is enemy reading. In the pile number 1 also I got same kind of energy. See, if at all someone is not coming towards us, it doesn't mean that they are our enemy. Let that relationship be in the same way. We should move on in our life. If you stuck, wait for that person, day by day you will get irritation, frustration, tiredness. Meanwhile, you don't even understand when you are started hating that person. Actually, you don't need to do all those things. Just move on in your life. If at all they really realize that you are worthy, whatever you are offering that is worthy, they will come back. They will come. They will chase you. Don't wait for someone, because that waiting can change the connection, change the mindset. Even though it is a very loving, caring connection, it will turn into enemy. You came to the reading, your enemy, be on your enemy, but actually maybe you offer something to this person and you are waiting for that person to take that opportunity, take that plunge towards you, but they are not doing that. So that is the reason now you are like, I'm waiting for that person, Anita, and this person is not coming. So you will get angry. You feel this person is enemy, villain. Do it for you. Don't think about others. Move forward. When the time is right, if this person really meant in your life, they will come. If at all not meant, because our journey should not stop for anyone. We should move forward, no matter what happened. Anyone want to come, they will come. They don't want to come, let them be wherever they are. When the time is right, if they really want, they really meant for us, they will come. Okay, so move forward in your life. Just think about yourself, don't think about anyone. Thank you for watching. So pile number 3, last but not least, tiger's eye. You never choose the tiger's eye. You choose this pile for specific someone by thinking that they are your enemy. So what is the T on my enemy? So let's see. What is the T on my collective's enemy? So meanwhile, go and subscribe if at all you're not subscribed. If at all you've already subscribed, thank you for the subscription. Click the join button. Have a look at our YouTube store. Watch the ads. What's the T on my collective's enemy? What is the T on collective's enemy? What is the T on my collective's enemy? You are stuck. Sorry, maybe you. Because here the gossip is like your enemy is stuck. But I said you are stuck. So anyway, the gossip is that your enemy is completely stuck. They're not moving anywhere. They're not doing anything. Stuck position. Nothing is happening, Anita, in their life. T on your enemy. T on your enemy. They are not listening to their intuition. I got this card. I don't want to take it in the initially. Again, I got the card. Some cards I will think that okay, if at all if again it comes, I will take it. So this person, whomever your enemy is completely stuck wherever they are. They are not looking for any kind of new beginnings because they are completely blocked. Some way, which way they are blocked? Physically, Hanged Man, 9 of Swords, mentally, 7 of Cups in the reverse, spiritually, 2 of Wands, creative wise, which is the action wise. This person completely blocked in their life, in all the areas of their life. If at all you really feel this person is your enemy is getting strong karma. Your enemy is going through some kind of strong karma. This is Hanged Man. Physically, I don't know what happened to this person, but they cannot move anywhere. If at all they are 4 walls, they should be in the 4 walls. They should not meet anyone. Which is like a jail kind of thing I am seeing. Maybe this person, even though if at all you are in a jail also, their jail mates will be there. People who are in the prison, that prison mates will be there, right? But this person energy is different. I don't know, maybe no one is there with them. That's for sure. Physically, they cannot move anywhere. This is mentally. They are stuck. Mentally imprisoned. Physically imprisoned. Spiritually blocked. They cannot connect with their ancestors, spirit guides, whomever the messengers. If at all they are watching the tarots, now they maybe stop watching tarots also. If at all they had any kind of psychic, someone who used to give suggestions to them, either it may be through the dreams, through some different ways, as simple as universe gives a lot of signs, right? Every day. This person completely blocked from all those help. They are not ready for any kind of new beginnings. No action. It is like a strong karma. Your enemy is getting strong karma where all the areas of their life is blocked completely. It is not that as in the pile number 2 we saw, that person have opportunities but they are not taking the new opportunities. The reason? They're scared of newness. They're scared of new things. They have resisting for the change. Or it is like a self comfort zone kind of person. That is the reason why they are not changing. There is a meaning. Universe is giving a lot of opportunities. Other persons are giving a lot of opportunities. You are the one who is not taking that step. But here it is different. This person may be ready for the new beginnings. This person may be ready for the change. This person may be ready for the new passionate, fiery connections or work, creative works. But they are completely blocked. All the ways. That is the reason it is a different reading, different energy, which is like mentally, if at all they want to think something, they cannot. Spiritually, they maybe want to listen something, they cannot. Like passion wise, they may be like, let's start something, think in a creative way, do some creative things, let's find someone who is creating. Like, no, their chakra chakra is blocked, their thada is blocked, their crown chakra is blocked. This is physical sense, which is like completely now this person is upside down, not grounded, not rooted. What is happening to this person? I don't know. Someone may be controlling them in a wrong way. King of Swords in the reverse. That is the reason, even though they are feeling a lot of, oh, someone is controlling this person in a wrong way. I am getting headache. What is the T on your enemy? What is the T on your enemy? See, wherever they are, they need to love. They need to love themselves. What is the T on your enemy? Self-love. Maybe they need to bring the self-love. Until unless they won't bring the self-love, universe may be like, I am closing all the doors. Only one way is open. That is going within. No, when outside everything is closed, you won't find any way. There is only one way. You should go within. Your enemy is in that situation. This person don't have any other doors opened, only except going within. Chi on your enemy. Knight of Wands in the reverse. This person may be already caught up with STD. That is also one reason they cannot think passionate kind of connections. Page of Pentacle in the reverse. They cannot think about the at least small connections, which is like going out, making some friends, small lighter connections, are going out in work area, meeting some people, are looking for small kind of work opportunity. This person may be caught up with STD. Universe is like, maybe this person is a very passionate, fiery person. They may be always indulge themselves in the sexual activities kind of thing. The universe may be asking them to go within, do some inner work, but they are not doing that. That is the reason now what universe took the step is, okay, if at all I open the doors for you, you will go from one door, this door, this door, this door. If I close all the doors, you are going towards this door, this door, this door, but you are not going within you. So now I am blocking all the doors. I am closing all the doors. You want to be having any other option then? Except this card, everything is blocked in their life. This is a self-love card. So, if at all this person had the habit of, as simple as I said just now, if at all they listen to the tarot readers or the psychics, they may be used to contact. No help from anyone. Universe decided this person should not get, your enemy should not get help from anyone, because they need to go within to get some new beginning in their life, to walk away from some situation. What is the T on your enemy? This is a bad, it is not exactly like a karma. I can understand the situation. Universe is asking them to do something good, which is like go within yourself. Instead of going this side, that side, to this person, that person, go within. But your enemy maybe have a habit of, if at all they get some kind of doubt, logical things. They may be used to, hey, I got this opportunity. What do you say? Can I go for this or not? They will ask the opinion from other people. If at all they get the most of the answers are like, yeah, you can take that opportunity, they may be used to take it. So they don't ask themselves whether they like it or not, whether they really want that project opportunity or not. They simply go towards other people and ask, hey, I got this opportunity. What do you say? Can I go for this? They maybe ask 10 people. Out of 10 people, if at all they got 6 people said that, okay, you can go for it, they will go for that opportunity. They don't care about themselves. What exactly really want this? They maybe have such kind of nature. That is the reason universe, as simple as if at all they are watching tarots or some psychic things, like watching predictions kind of things, like Aries, zodiac signs, weekly predictions, daily predictions. I used to find some people when I'm working, every day morning they used to watch predictions. They even used to share in the Facebook. What is this? Every day they used to follow that. Today you have you may be going to get argument, conflicts with someone in workplace. Okay, if at all they got that line, they will be silent. What happened? Why you are not talking to anyone? Anita, today's predictions I got that I may be end up in with conflicts or argument in the workplace. That is the reason I am maintaining calmness. So you want to run your life, operate your life by predictions. It is good if at all you watch, nothing wrong. But give importance only how much it is needed. Not that you completely depend on that prediction. That if at all they say, someone says that, hey, today you should not go out, there is a chance that you are going to meet with an accident. Amma, today predictions I read that if at all I go outside, I'm going to meet with an accident, so I don't want to go out. Okay, today you sit in at home. Tomorrow also you get the same message. Then day after tomorrow also. Then you want to run your life based on the predictions. Actually, we have free will. You can listen, you can trust, nothing wrong. But there is a one thing called which is free will. What about that? Why you are forgetting about that? This person forgot about that. They have free will. What is that free will? Go within. Your own guide is you. Your internal inner voice, your intuition is your own guide. You don't need other people to tell you that what you should do, what you should not. Oh, today you wear blue. Your lucky color is blue. Today you should wear blue. I used to have this kind of people, I really wonder. Even I am in the astrology. I used to do astrology, numerology. Now also I do face readings, colorology. But not that blind faith which is like, today is no moon day, today is full moon day, I should do this. No, 365 days is mine. 24 by 7, 365 days belongs to mine. Every minute belongs to mine. I will decide what I want to do. Just because in the predictions it came up like, today you have, if at all I am in that place. Today, if at all you go outside, you are going to, there is a chance that you are going to meet with an accident. I will go. Because it is my, see, I should go, not will go. We should go. That is one sign, one warning. So that when we are going out, we should be more cautious in our journey. We should not be like careless, thinking about something, illusionist, or dreaming about something, deep thoughts. No. We got the message. If you want to believe it. You got the message. Today you have chance of meeting with an accident. Go out, but be conscious. Be conscious that wherever you are going, if at all you are the one who is the driving, you should be more conscious how to drive. Slow driving, little bit slow than normal days, and be more cautious when you are driving. That's how you should operate. It is not that, oh no, someone told that I should not go, I won't go because this person is that kind of person. Your enemy believes things in that way. That is the reason universe is like, see, how long you are going to do this? How long you want to depend on other people? Either prediction, either friends. If at all work opportunity, go to the friends, ask, you want this opportunity, can I go for this opportunity? If at all love opportunity, go to your family. See, one girl is interested, one boy, can I go for it? If at all, as I said, what tomorrow, today you have plans, right? I have plan next week what I should do. It is not that I will look for the prediction, I will decide. Our life, we should not operate our life in that way. Your enemy do that. They may be doing that. That is the reason finally universe is like, close all the doors. They should not go, they should not meet any friends, so that they cannot go for any kind of suggestions, opinions. They should not even listen any kind of this tarot readings, or if at all they are watching predictions, as I said, no help from anyone, because this person already got some STD. So that is also one reason maybe they maybe cannot active passive participation, like in that sexual things. So universe is asking them to go with it. That's it. They are not dealing with anyone. Your enemy is completely alone at home, because this card is like wherever they are alone. No dealing with the world, not just with the world, with the universe also. Maybe they are going through a lot of mental. It is not mental kind of like pressure. It is like you need to go within. That's it. You won't find any kind of answer outside the world, outside of you. You only get the answers. You only get the solution within you. Now you don't have any other option than going within you. What is the T on your enemy? You are one way. If at all you think, if at all you understand this energy, if you feel that this person is my enemy, Anita, they should get some strong karma, and then your enemy is already going through karma. What is the T on your enemy? Your enemy may be emperor. They may have some strong power position in their life, but they are not taking the control of their own life. That's why I said maybe this person is very powerful. Your enemy may be very powerful. They may be like an emperor. They can rule. At least they maybe have some authority, power, position. But when you are in some kind of authority, power, position, how can you go towards someone and ask that, can I do this? Can I do this? You will depend on other people. How you are going to depend on other people? It is not one area of their life. Entire, all the areas of their life, they will go towards someone and ask the help. That's why I said, if at all it is career related matter, they will go towards their colleagues, co-workers. Hey, I got this opportunity. Can I take this opportunity? What do you say? If they tell that out of 10, if 6 members tell that go, they will go. If 6 members tell that no, they won't go. Because majority is whichever high majority, they will listen to them. And if at all love relationship, they will go to their close friends or family. They will tell that, see, I like this girl, or this girl is boys or girl is proposing me. What do you say? Can I say okay for it? What is this? Where is your life? Because you are giving control to everyone in your life to lead your life. Your enemy is not leading their life. Other people around them are leading their life. That is the reason universe is like, see, you cannot operate like this because you are the emperor. So you need to take control of your own life. How you are going to take the control of your own life? When I close all the doors. When I block all the doors for you, then you won't be having any other option than going within, finding the answers within yourself. What is the T on your enemy? See, it may be like a strong karma, but it is for their highest good. What is the T on your enemy? Because universe want to see some kind of truth about someone or about themselves, whatever burdens they are carrying on their shoulders. If at all this person carried a lot of burdens on their shoulders, or they are feeling heavy, universe want them to go within, see the truth, or be honest. What is this? Whether same enemy's energy? What is this 10 of Wands? Or they need to see some truth about some people. What is this 10 of Wands? Whether same person? Same person. What is this 5 of Cups? Same person. This person completely stuck mentally. Even though they don't need to carry a lot of burdens, they are carrying. Why they are carrying? They don't know. Maybe someone told them you need to carry the burden, they are carrying. Someone may be told that, see, if at all you carry this burden, that's how you will become boss, emperor. They are carrying. They are sitting and crying about the past. Or they may be not coming out of the past. Because we got 7 of Cups in the reverse. 5 of Cups also in the reverse. But the universe wants you to see the truth about this. You to see the truth. You to know. Like your enemy should know the truth about these two energies. Either it may be theirs, either it may be in their life some other people. Maybe this is some other people. Someone who have 10 of Pentacles. They may be not seeing the truth about that person. Because that person may be have love, not 10 of Pentacles. That person may be going towards the 2 of Cups, not 10 of Pentacles. But they are not seeing all the truth. See why they are not seeing all the truth? No love, Anita. No love. I don't want love. I don't want emotions. I don't even want emotions from myself. I don't even feel emotion for myself. And you are asking love, emotions for others? Four of Cups. This person is Empress in the reverse, disordered feminine. And universe want you to become emperor. You have the ability to become an emperor. They are not changing. That is the reason why they are going through a lot. It is like not strong karma, which is like they need to, because how long they are going to operate their life depending on others, because this person is completely dependent person. Just now we got Four of Pentacles. This person is dependent, not just about dependent. When I say the dependent, they may be dependent on someone for the financial reason. No, everything. If they need some suggestion, they are dependent on their family or the friends. If they need some kind of help in the workplace, they are dependent on their work colleagues. You are the one, whomever watching, paint the sun back into your sky. Go for the new opportunities if at all you have any, because or you just start your own life. 11, you need to start your own life, because 10, it is ended. Now it is in your hands, starting your new life. Instead of waiting for this person, if at all you feel that no, Anita, I'm waiting for this person, I want this person, they need to do a lot of work. First, the universe want them to take control of your own life. Then I will send you out. Until unless I won't let you to meet anyone, not even Anita. Means they cannot come to my readings, they cannot watch. Nature and earth. I thank Lady Gaia for inviting me to be on earth. I thank, bless and love the entire nature kingdom. I think here, if at all you are the empath, or at least you need to be like an empathetic person towards yourself, towards others, and move forward in your life. Instead of seeing the things which is like maybe this person is not coming, I'm not seeing that you are anywhere waiting. Why it is like it came out like paint the sun back into your life. What does this means? Why you need to look for your own new beginnings? This person is not interested in love. Maybe you are waiting for this person, that you maybe carry some relationship, they may be going to take your cup. No, this person, leave this person. This person is not belongs to you. This is not your person. If at all you are waiting for this person by thinking that no, Anita, I am offering cup of love, they are going to take, this is my person. No, this is not your person. At least after watching this reading, understand that this is not your person. Actually, they don't know what they want. So if at all you propose to them, some friends maybe told them that, hey, this is a good opportunity, why can't you go for this? They maybe showed interest. If at all you dealt with this person in the past. Now universe blocked them. No, if at all you are thinking that why this person is not coming towards me, why they are not communicating with me, they may be avoiding. No, universe literally blocked them, so that they should go within, they should find out themselves. Instead of depending on other people, instead of leading their life by other people's choices, other people's opinions, other people's judgments. You cannot lead that life. If at all after 60 years, if at all your enemy turn back and see that what is their life, they won't find themselves. They will find their friends, their colleagues, their family, whomever suggested them, whomever passed the opinion, gave the suggestion, advice, including me. If at all they watched arrows, they will find me also, but they are never going to find themselves. I hope you are understanding. But it is our life. We should not give our life to someone. We should not let other people to lead our life. It is our life. We need to lead. That wheel should be in our hands. Universe want you to take your wheel. Your wheel should be in your hands. Because you can become the emperor. But they are like Empress in the reverse. Disordered feminine energy they are. That is the reason. Okay. So I think you got the message. If at all you are still waiting for this person, then don't wait. Okay. Go for your new beginnings, because this person not belongs to you. That's for sure. Based on this reading. Thank you for watching.